ISO 22000 2018 Food Safety Management Systems Consultancy Implementation Training Certification Support presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Food safety is one of the most critical responsibilities for every organization involved in the food supply chain. Whether you manufacture food products, process dairy, package food, transport raw materials, operate a warehouse, manage a restaurant, or export food products internationally, ensuring safe food is not just a legal obligation, it is the commitment to consumers. Every year, millions of people worldwide suffer from foodborne illnesses caused by contamination, poor hygiene, inadequate processing, improper storage, or supply chain failures. This is where ISO 22000 2018 Food Safety Management System FSMS becomes essential. ISO 22000 helps organizations establish a systematic approach to identifying, controlling, and preventing food safety hazards while ensuring compliance with national and international food safety regulations. In today's video, we will cover what is ISO 22000 2018, why food safety management is important, who should implement ISO 22000, key requirements of the standard, HACCP and risk-based thinking, benefits of implementation, certification process, how URGS International can support your organization. Let's begin. What is ISO 22000 2018? ISO 22000 2018 is an internationally recognized food safety management system standard published by the International Organization for Standardization. It provides a framework for organizations to control food safety hazards throughout the entire food chain, from farm to fork. The standard integrates food safety management, HACCP principles, risk-based thinking, process approach, controls improvement, regulatory compliance. Unlike basic food hygiene practices, ISO 22000 creates a comprehensive management system that continuously monitors, evaluates, and improves food safety performance. The standard is applicable to every organization involved in the food chain, regardless of its size or type. Why food safety is critical? Food safety failures can have several consequences. These include food contamination, consumer illness, product recalls, regulatory penalties, brand reputation damage, financial losses, loss of customer confidence, export restrictions. Consumers today expect food products to be safe, hygienic, and fully traceable. Governments worldwide have also strengthened food safety regulations. Organizations implementing ISO 22000 demonstrate their commitment to producing safe food while complying with legal and customer requirements. Food safety is no longer just a compliance issue, it is a competitive advantage. Who should implement ISO 22000? ISO 22000 is suitable for every organization involved in the food supply chain. Examples include food manufacturers, beverage manufacturers, dairy processing plants, bakery manufacturers, meat processing industries, seafood processing companies, spice manufacturers, edible oil manufacturers, fruit and vegetable processing units, ready-to-eat food producers, frozen food manufacturers, food ingredient suppliers, food packaging manufacturers, cold storage facilities, warehouses, logistic providers, transport companies, catering services, hotels, restaurants, cloud kitchens, retail chains, supermarkets, food exporters, food importers, agricultural producers, animal feed manufacturers. Even organizations providing support services to the food industry can benefit significantly from ISO 22000 implementation. Understanding HACCP. One of the most important foundations of ISO 22000 is HACCP, which stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. HACCP is a preventive food safety methodology. Instead of inspecting finished products alone, HACCP identifies hazards before they occur. The 7 principles of HACCP include conduct hazard analysis, identify critical control points, establish critical limits, monitor critical control points, define corrective actions, verify the system, maintain documentation. This proactive approach significantly reduces food safety risks. Key requirements of ISO 22000 2018. Let's understand the major requirements. Organizational context. Organizations identify internal and external issues affecting food safety. They also understand stakeholder expectations. Leadership commitment. Top management establishes food safety objectives, policies, and allocates necessary resources. Leadership involvement is essential for successful implementation. Planning. Organizations identify risks and opportunities. Food safety objectives are established. Action plans are developed. Support. This includes competent employees, training, communication, infrastructure, equipment maintenance, calibration, document control, awareness programs. Operational planning. Organizations establish processes for supplier approval, purchasing, receiving inspection, food production, cleaning and sanitation, pest control, storage, transportation, distribution, traceability, emergency preparedness. Prerequisite programs, PRPs. Examples include personal hygiene, cleaning procedures, sanitation, water quality, waste management, equipment maintenance, cross-contamination prevention, pest management, building maintenance, utilities management. These programs create a safe environment for food production. Hazard analysis. Organizations identify biological hazards, chemical hazards, physical hazards, allergens. Each hazard is evaluated for severity and likelihood. Appropriate control measures are implemented. Performance evaluation. Organizations monitor food safety objectives, internal audits, customer complaints, regulatory compliance, supplier performance, food safety incidents, management review. Control improvement. Organizations continually improve the effectiveness of their food safety management system through corrective actions and preventive measures. Supply chain food safety. Food safety extends beyond manufacturing. Organizations must ensure approved suppliers, supplier audits, incoming material inspections, transportation hygiene, storage conditions, cold chain monitoring, packaging integrity, distribution controls, traceability. Supplier performance directly influences product quality and consumer safety. Benefits of ISO 22018. Implementing ISO 22000 offers numerous business advantages. These include improved food safety, regulatory compliance, reduced food safety risks, improved product quality, better process control, enhanced customer confidence, international recognition, improved supplier performance, reduced product recalls, improved operational efficiency, lower food waste, enhanced traceability, stronger brand reputation, global market access, improved export opportunities, competitive advantage, continual business improvement. Organizations certified to ISO 22000 are often preferred by multinational customers, retailers, and international players. ISO 22000 certification process. The implementation journey generally follows these steps. Step 1, gap assessment. Evaluate existing food safety practices. Step 2, documentation. Develop food safety manual, policies, procedures, HACCP plans, risk assessments, work instructions, forms, records. Step 3, implementation. Train employees and implement documented processes. Step 4, internal audit. Evaluate system effectiveness and identify improvement opportunities. Step 5, management review. Top management reviews the system and approves control improvement actions. Step 6, certification audit. A certification body conducts stage 1 and stage 2 audits. Upon successful completion, ISO 2018 certification is awarded. How URGS International can help? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide complete end-to-end support for ISO 2018 implementation. Our services include ISO 22000 consultancy and implementation, gap assessment, documentation development, HACCP implementation, food safety risk assessment, internal auditor training, employee awareness programs, supplier food safety audits, pre-certification assessment, internal audits, management review support, corrective action implementation, IAF and non-IAF certification support. Our experienced consultants help organizations establish internationally recognized food safety management systems that enhance compliance, operational efficiency, and customer confidence. At last, summary, closing. Thank you for watching this video. Whether you are a food manufacturer, beverage producer, dairy processor, packaging company, cold storage facility, warehouse, logistic provider, restaurant chain, catering company, retailer, exporter, or any organization in the food supply chain, implementing ISO 22018 food safety management system is a strategic investment in food safety, regulatory compliance, and long-term business success. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we are committed to helping organizations build world-class food safety management systems through consultancy, implementation, training, interlocutor programs, HACCP support, and certification assistance. Contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more expert content on ISO standards, food safety, quality management, audits, inspections, regulatory compliance, and business excellence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping your organization achieve ISO 22000 2018 certification and build a safer, stronger, and globally trusted food business.